ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi ta ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
Ketenat kekoj kekhia jong ke sorkar jilla kalayai bodin thach chithan ban pensedang no kam kelo ye ke jingshna ye ke Shillong Medical College kabala don kam kerke halu kata-kata khenang bakan long ka jing mentoy ye ki samla puli ki bawan ne ki long ying ki baduna ka yo ka kot hanrei ki badan pat ye ke jing angnot ban lek puli doktor Menteri Ketenat Kekoj Kekhia James P.K. Sangma haka jingya keren bat kilat pathai khubor haka arpu hundre terik ubnai risau arajar arpuai ulia tho badangshen ula hiar jurep ya ka jaka ka badan haka snong om sauli hamau diang na ka benta bantai ye ka college bat ongru baka jingsuki jong ka kam kalong baka kinhon ka bashimti ban pentrei ye ka project kala dawa ye ka sorkar jilla ban penkela shwa katto katne ki kindon.
Well, they have asked for something. I'm not at liberty to spell everything out, but they have asked and we're examining it right now. So, see, because of the delay, because of many other factors, because the land has not been made available to them, so all these things are there because of which they have asked for certain changes to the terms and conditions, and we're examining that right now. We are expediting this. Let me assure you that we are trying to make sure that whatever little bit of hiccup or little bit of stumbling blocks that are there, we want to remove all those, and we want this project to take off. This is very important for our students. Yes, presently the land is being used as a step-down facility, COVID step-down, and we are now slowly looking at how we can hand over the land. But that is a process after we have gone through what are the terms and the request for the changes in the terms and conditions. After we've gone through that and we've come to a decision on that, then gradually the land will be handed over and they can start.